10 years ago, SmartBridge started with one clear purpose: to bridge the gap between education and industry through real-world skills. 2025 marked a defining chapter in that journey as we celebrated 10 years of talent excellence. As industry demands grew, so did our reach. In 2025, over 225,000 learners accelerated their skills through SmartBridge. Every program has been launched by SmartBridge to build confidence, capability, and careers. Because impact multiplies through educators, 3,000 plus faculty members were trained in 2025, taking a total to 40,000 plus empowered educators nationwide. The result was clear. Learners rated their experience 4.5 out of 5. A reflection of outcomes, not promises. With growing trust came wider adoption. SmartBridge engaged with 1,000 plus institutions and expanded its reach across 10 plus new Indian states in 2025. The mission crossed borders. SmartBridge initiatives reached 20 plus provinces across the Philippines, Indonesia, and Saudi Arabia. Collaboration powered scale. In 2025, we signed 100 plus institutional partnerships in India and 25 plus institutional partnership in Southeast Asia, with new technology leaders like Pega and Zscaler joining our ecosystem. Learning translated into industry-recognized outcomes. 2,400 plus learners earned global certifications in Salesforce, ServiceNow, MongoDB, and AWS. Impact never goes unnoticed. 2025 brought 5 plus national and ecosystem recognitions. SmartBridge recognized by ServiceNow for building a skilled workforce for the nation. SmartBridge was honored at the Naan Mudhalwan's 3rd annual day, recognizing its role in transforming classrooms into career launch pads for innovation, entrepreneurship, and job creation. 2025 also marked a turning point for AI skills. SmartBridge, along with Salesforce and the India AI Mission, launched Yuva AI Bharat Gen AI Skill Catalyst to create 100,000 AI-ready learners by 2026, with a strong focus on Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. To support this momentum, SmartBridge expanded its presence. In August 2025, a new office was inaugurated in Noida, strengthening our commitment to North India. Our mission grew with our people. 10,000 plus new LinkedIn followers joined our community, and 150 plus new team members became part of the SmartBridge journey. 2025 wasn't just about numbers. It was about trust, collaboration, and meaningful impact globally across India, Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, Thailand. As we step into 2026, the vision grows stronger, connecting industry and academia to unlock employability and build future-ready talent at scale. 2025 reflects the impact we've created, empowering future-ready talent, unlocking real opportunities, and shaping careers for a rapidly evolving world. Our commitment continues, driving us to build the talent that will lead tomorrow. With this momentum, we continue to accelerate industry-ready talent through our skilling ecosystem, building a global talent powerhouse for tomorrow.